are there reliable alternatives when running new thermostat wires is impossible? You can replace physical wiring with wireless relay kits that bridge the thermostat to the heating and cooling equipment by translating wireless signals into control connections at the equipment end. Choose a kit that matches the control voltage and the number of stages your system uses, and follow the manufacturer wiring diagram to connect the relay board directly to the furnace or air handler control board. For heat pump systems, verify reversing valve and auxiliary heat compatibility before purchase and configure the thermostat to the correct system type so it sends the proper commands. If the system needs a common conductor for power, look for add-on power modules that harvest power from existing wires or use batteries, while the relay handles control signals. Always test each function one at a time, engage heat, cool, fan, and auxiliary heat if present, and watch for delay timers so you do not mistake normal lockouts for failures. If your equipment uses proprietary communication, consult the equipment maker for compatible wireless modules, or consider a smart thermostat adapter that is specifically listed as compatible. Common problems include signal dropout because of distance or interference, and that usually clears by moving the receiver closer to the thermostat or relocating other wireless devices and metal obstructions to improve line of sight. Another frequent issue is mismatch between thermostat commands and equipment capabilities, which shows as incorrect operation. Resolve this by confirming system type settings and using a relay kit or module that supports the exact control signals required. Battery drain or insufficient power at the thermostat is common when replacing wired power with wireless solutions. Fix this by selecting a module that provides a common power option, or by using long-life batteries and enabling features that reduce polling frequency. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find local contractors and discover wireless thermostat components by connecting people who have done similar work and sharing practical experience. We also help contractors find work and join our active discussion community where professionals and homeowners exchange tips, product recommendations, and installation lessons.